Team, today we're going to be taking on the Juicy Lucy on the Ninja Woodfire Grill. But as always, this can be done on any smoker or grill. All right. I'm excited for this one. We are making the Juicy Lucy. That's right. That's where you take all the stuff you want to put on the outside of the burger, stuff it in the middle. So we got some American cheese going in there. We got some bacon bits going in there. So we're going to have a bacon cheeseburger just on the inside. You guys are not going to want to miss this one for sure. So how do we get this thing started? Guys, we're going to take some 1/4 pound patties that I got. These are Wagyu. Someone gave them to me, but you use whatever you want to use. But, you know, I had some Wagyu, might as well use it, right? Right. So we took those Wagyus, those 1/4 pound patties, put them between 2 pieces of parchment and gave them a good smash with my burger smasher. Now you're going to do that 2 times for every 1 burger, okay? And use that parchment paper. You're going to need it. And all we're going to do is get some American cheese in there. That's right, straight out of the plastic, that Kraft singles, you know the ones. And then we got some already cooked bacon bits chopped up. Threw them in there. Don't use uncooked bacon for this one. It won't cook in time, okay? And no one wants that. All right, before we cap this burger, I want to tell you guys real quick, I have 4 e-cookbooks for the Woodfire Grill with tons and tons of great recipes. It's gotten great reviews. I want you guys to check it out. Links down below. Now listen, my website is just like any other commerce website, any blog sites out there. Google goes crazy with them ads that you get. So hopefully you got some pop-up blockers, but make sure you go to the right spots, follow along the actual website. You're not signing up for anything. You're not, going to other sites. Go add to cart, go to your cart and pay it out there, okay? I know a lot of people have problems with the websites out there. I've been dealing with it through all these commerce sites during the holiday season here. So I get it. I understand. Google sucks. It is what it is, all right? Now, let's finish up these burgers. So we took a little Hussey's Heffer Dust from my guy Matt Hussey from the Hungry Hussey. Put a link down below in the video description for his stuff. Heifer dust is good. The butt dust is good. I got all the dusts over here. Make sure you check them out. Season it up real good on the inside because you want the inside to taste good to the outside, right? Right. And then we threw that other burger that we pressed out on top. And then we're going to use that parchment paper to kind of roll up the sides so we're sealing up the sides really well. Use your hands, get in there, pack it up real nice like a burger should be. Now, these are going to be big ass burgers. These are 1/2 pound burgers now. You're adding a 1/4 pound and a 1/4 pound. That makes a 1/2 pound. All right. That's right. I went to public school. I know math. All right. So we cinched it up real good. You want to seal it as tight as possible. Then we're going ahead and season a little bit more with that Heifer Dust. And then we're going to throw it in the fridge and let it kind of tighten up a little bit, cool off in there, right? When you've been messing with that burger with your hands, it makes it nice and soft because of the heat of your hands, heating up the burger meat. So you want to tighten it up a little bit in the fridge just for a few 5, 10, 15 minutes, okay, while we get the wood fire set up. So I'm going to take you outside. We're going to get that wood fire set up. We're using that grill mode, okay, and I'll explain what we're doing outside. Of course, you know we're using our Smokin Pecan pellets. I'm sure I'll say it more in the videos, but links down below saves you 10% on that first order. It's an affiliate link. It helps out your boy too. Check it out. Before we get out there, anything else you see in my videos from knives, cutting boards, merch, all that good stuff, the Ninja Woodfire Grill, whatever. Links are all down below. They're affiliate links. Don't cost you any more to use them, but it does help out your boy, helps out the channel. Speaking of that, if you want to become a channel producer, people that really want to help out the channel, right, help out your boy, there's a Patreon link in my video description, or you can hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you already hit by now, right? Right. Okay. Let's head outside. We got our wood fire on. We're taking this down to the medium setting on the grill mode. All right. Time, 15 minutes. Wood fire flavor buttons on. Hit start. Let it go through the ignition process, through the preheat process, and then we get our burgers on. All right, we got the add food on, so let's add the food on. We got our hamburgers going down. Give them a decent press. Our Juicy Lucy's going down. Make sure you're getting some good contact. Then we got a little bit more of the Heifer Dust on this side. I'm gonna shut this down We will be using our instant read from ThermoPro. Links down below. We'll check on it. We want them to hit about 135, 140 in the inside there. And we're ready to get these munching. All right, it's been about 5 minutes. We're gonna give these a flip. You know we got those great grill marks going. Those are coming along real nice. Make sure you're shutting that lid to give it all that smoke and more heat. But we're doing good, boys and girls. All right, team. We're about 12 minutes in. I'm gonna check the temps on these. 135. It's right around 140, 141. There you go. So I'm gonna move these over a little bit. And then I got some buns on. We're gonna get these things, I'll get a little butter on them too. Get these things toasting up. You're gonna definitely want a toasty bun because these are gonna be juicy. They're gonna be loosey. So you want a bun that'll stand up to them. So get these nice and toasty. All right, let's get these bad boys off and build these burgers. All right, we're in the house. Let's crown that bad boy. Get yourself a big old knife. You don't need anything in there. You got the cheese in the middle. I only use one slice. I know people use a bunch more. I like it juicy loosey, but I don't need it that juicy. Got the bacon in there. And there you go, juicy loosey. And that is molten lava right there. Cooked all the way through. Looking gorgeous. I think it's time to get a bite. What do you say? The moment I've all been waiting for. Let's try this juicy loosey. Oh my goodness, guys. This is the money. This is the bomb. You got to try this. And I'll tell you what, half of this will take you where you need to be. These things are big. Let's get a bite. Oh yeah, babe. Use your towel. These are way too good. You need to give them a try. That's it for this one. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.